Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change Facebook Classic page to new page. This is a very easy tutorial. First you just have to go to your Classic page. So for this account, my Classic page is this awesome page right here. So now that you have your or you're switched to your Classic page, now there are other ways to see that. So if you can see it right away, then you can tap this and then go to see all profiles. Then there you will see all your pages, including your classic page. So this one is my classic page right here. And then in order for me to change it, all I have to do is to click this three dots. There are other countries or there are other Facebook page that if you tap the three dots, then you will see the option change the new page. Okay, so you can see it right away when you tap this three dots. However, in my case, when I tap the three dots right here, and then I can't see the change to new page. So maybe there are changes with the features or options, or this feature option is not available in my country. So if you are the same with me, then what you're going to do here is you have to go to help and support, tap your profile, go to help and support, and then click this report a problem. So after that, you have to click this something. It's like there is something wrong. So you have to give feedback to Facebook, include in report. Okay, tap this, include in report right here. And then after that, once you tap this, then what you're going to do next is you can now choose the reason why you want to submit a report. So tap page, and then here you can now be specific with your message here. Like for example, I want to change my classic page to new page, but I can't see the option right here. I can't see the feature. It has been removed or it's not available in my country. So can you please help me change my classic page to new page? You could also include the name of your classic page right here. Okay. And after that, you can add an image, attach an image as a proof. And then after that, what you're going to do is to click submit and then wait for the customer service team to respond or help you change your classic page or Facebook page into new page. So for the meantime, this is the best thing you can do. If you can see that, create a new page on this three dots on your classic page. Okay, so you just have to wait for them, for their reply, for their response, and instruct you what to do. So I do really hope that this video helped you. That's how easy it is to change Facebook Classic page to new page. See you again in our next video tutorials.